family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of Utando Nesthembu. Lau Abonge Ati, wife number 5, Samke cuts off Sneh as her friend because she was dating Ubabka Sneh. Selegu's household has once again become a focal point of controversy as a disturbing fact regarding the breakdown between Sneh Selegu and Samke Khwela have faced. uSamke aba nobudlelwane noMsamselegu, she decided to cut uSneh off as a friend. uSamke uzoba umaka chomi yakhe. When uSneh finds out that Samke was no longer just a friend, but that she was now the 5th wife, the bond which has appeared to be unshakable in the past was abruptly severed. Sneh felt that the disclosure was nothing less than a breach of her trust. She was completely unaware of the fact that the person she had confided in, joked with, and thought of as sisterly figure has been secretly engaged with her father before she was even aware of it. Samke never openly told her the truth, which made the situation even more difficult. In its place, Sneh was left in discover the truth together with the rest of the family when Selegu presented his newest wife to the circle of relatives, unable to conceal the suffering that she was experiencing at the very moment, and the shock that was visible on her face was disputable. In the course of his revelation of the specifics of this fallout, Abongom Selegu did not hold back. It became very evident to him that Samke had purposefully isolated herself from Sneh, opting to take on the role of a wife rather than to be a friend with Sneh. That friendship lasted for many years. Many people believe that Samke might have been afraid of Sneh's reaction, or perhaps she felt bad about betraying their friendship. Both of the possibilities are possible. In any case, she made her decision, and that decision was to abandon Sneh without further explanation. The sudden turn of events has caused fans of Utando Nesthembu to have conflicting feelings about the situation. Certain individuals are of the opinion that Samke has very right to pursue the relationship with Selegu, stating that love is not limited by any restrictions. Others, on the other hand, believe that she has crossed a significant boundary when she began dating father of her own friend. Sneh, who is well known for her fiery personality and her tendency of speaking her feelings over the current circumstance. A public confrontation with Samke on the betrayal has not taken place, despite the fact that she was revealed. But there is no denying the tension between them, and fans are eagerly watching to see if they will finally address the issue that has been source of contention between them. On the other hand, Selegu appears to be unfazed by the drama that is taking place, given that he is a guy who publicly supports the practice of polygamy. It is appear that he has no problem with adding Samke to his ever-expanding number of spouses. However, the question that needs to be answered is whether or not this marriage will irreparably harm the connection that Sneh and Samke share, or whether or not there is a possibility of reconciliation. Although only time will tell, one thing is certain: the Selegu family has been rattled to their core by this scandal in a way that no one could have anticipated. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button until we meet in the next video.